So, itong hotel na pupuntahan natin ngayon offers room accommodation together with your fur babies. So, abangan ninyo kung anong detalye or details ng kanilang room and kung magkano ang charge nila sa mga dadalhin nating mga pets natin. Okay? Let's go! Welcome to our channel, Eat Pray Well Travel, at nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa Novotel, but this time we are going to check their room and amenities, plus of course yung kanilang lunch buffet. Actually, feature din natin just a little of very quick lunch menu kasi actually kung hindi kayo aware, si Novotel nagpapalit talaga siya ng menu from time to time sa lunch and sa breakfast. So kaya lagi kami kumakain dito ng lunch kasi nga bukod sa Accor member kami, we get 50% off nga because of the Accor membership. Nag-iiba-iba rin sila ng menu nila sa lunch nila and sa breakfast. So, a very, very quick lunch buffet menu, and of course, their room and amenities. So, samahan nyo kami. Yung pala dito,
We have the pool and gym, both on the 6th floor po yun, ma'am. So that's included, yes. Meron din tayong kids club because friendly hotel po tayo. Yung kids natin, kasi in other hotels, parang 7 years old and below lang. Pero dito po sa atin, 15 years old and below. That's Accor standard po. Yes, so
Accor standard
15
yun.
years old and below po.
So like, for each room, can accommodate talaga whole family? Or
Yes,
meron din kayong
basically.
talaga intended for couple lang?
Hindi po, ganun talaga siya.
Oh, nice! So this is
This is our superior room
Mhm.
with 2 twin beds. But for the superior room po, you have the option if you will get 2 twin beds or 1 twin bed, ma'am. So you may book this po with or without breakfast.
Okay, so this one is how much for the published rate?
For the published rate po, actually our rate is dynamic, ma'am.
Okay.
So nagbabago siya, but an average po, 8,125, ma'am, per night for the
8,125.
superior rooms.
So may blinds, nice.
Yes.
So this one can accommodate pets, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then for the pets naman po, we'll provide you pet amenity. So,
can I open this?
one, hindi na siya. Ito lang po.
Okay, sorry.
For the safe
So
deposit.
standard, yeah, you have your safe. And then this one is the
Closet naman.
closet. So slippers and then bathrobes. Iron, laundry. Okay. How can we open that? This one.
This is
Ay,
the
wala.
door ng
Oh,
bathroom.
nice!
Ganyan siya. And then, for the bath naman po,
Do you have the light here?
yes, we have. It's here naman, ma'am.
Ayun. So, this is the shower area, no? Complete toiletries naman. And nakahiwala yung inyong with bidet.
So, yeah, that's it for the superior room. Actually, for the room categories po, again, we have the superior, deluxe, executive room, executive suite, and presidential suite. Wala tayong laman dyan, ma'am, sa minibar.
Okay. So, kung upgraded, may mga complementaries. Tama ba ako?
Yes,
Like, baby charge for broken missing. Okay. Sige. So, na-mention mo yung yung pet kit ba? Tawag ba?
May pet amenity tayo.
Anong
Meron
inclusions
silang small toy doon.
Toy and then...
Tsaka yung parang bed nila.
Okay. Nice. Ito yung kids club.
Yeah, that's our kids club, ma'am.
Is this free of charge?
We do give complimentary access for 30 minutes po per room.
Hi.